So these are crash bar bags for the bike, the left one and the right one. So left one has all the rain gear and stuff, rain pants. So this is my rain pants, Rhinox H2 Go. This will be my rain pant, and rain jacket I have Vayatara's Vayatara 1, which is inside this. One of the best rain jackets. See bungee cords and helmet lock, etc. Left crash bar bag is ready. This is a 5-liter bag. I think price is around 1,800, I guess, for 2 bags. But it's one of the best crash bar bags actually. So it is waterproof. So our right side crash bar bag also is ready. So we have put up chain loops and fuel input and output outlet, puncture kit, and this is the pipe for the fuel. So all these things goes in the right side crash bar. So basically crash bars are for quick and easy access where you can stop and get things out. So we are keeping all the important stuff in the crash bars, which is mainly for quick access. It is weighing how much is each bag, because we have to arrange things in such a way that both of them should almost weigh the same on an average, not exactly.
2.2.
Okay, 2.2. And what about the left one? Let's weigh the left one also. So that is the right crash bar bags. I mean, you can put it in both the sides, but I've balanced it and put the things in a way that left one has more softer things, because we tend to fall on the left side more. How much is this? 1.8. Huh? Okay, this is 1.8. 200 grams lesser than. Yeah. We removed. Wait. So left one is 1.8.
No. It's 1.9, near to 2.
Near to 2. Okay. I think both are balanced. I think it's fine. Crash bar bags are done. So now we are loading up the saddle bags. So my saddle bags I'll show you. I'm using Vayatara Condor 2 Up. I'm using since 2-3 years, one of the best bags for KTM 390 Adventure. I'll show what and all things we are carrying. So this is my saddle bags, Vayatara Condor 2 Up. So basically we have a fuel can which is empty as of now, of course, and we have engine oil to top up. So every 1000 kilometers we have to top up 100 ml. So we are carrying engine oil of 1 liter, and we have tire inflator. Okay, we have one small stove for hot water and all that. Right side saddle bag will be done with this, and I'll show you what we will take in left saddle bags. Basically the plan is, whatever luggage I am carrying in the saddle bags, this will be our quick access. That is, which we need for every day and stuff. Basically, we have the list what and all things we need to carry. So Mad is looking into that. So we'll see the list, sort it out, and we'll load up the left side saddle bags also. Okay, folks. So finally, saddle bags are also packed. We are carrying some items here, quick access wala things, and here also we have chain cleaners and lubes. And of jerry can. This side there is one jerry can, and in the right side, so we have inflator and all that stuff, 2 water bottles. That's it. So these are from Decathlon, I think 99 rupees or 90 rupees, 700 ml one. These are more than enough. You can put it on your saddle bags. Whenever you stop, you can have the water from here. So this is the hammerhead bag, which has all the clothes, shoes, and winter liners, etc., etc. Yes, this will go on the pillion seat. It's all loaded now actually with the shoes and stuff. Yes, so this should complete the setup. Okay folks, this is the final bag setup for the Leh. Vayatara's 75 liters hammerhead, all the clothes, winter gears, shoes, thermo flask, everything is there inside this, and 2 saddle bags, Vayatara Condor 2, one of the best bags I've been using from 2-3 years, and those are my crash bar bags. 2 bags are there. Yes, so this will be the luggage and a tank bag which has all the electronics and stuff. Can you lift it? Yeah. So one saddle bag is weighing around 6 kgs. As you can see, 6 kg, 6.10. How much is this? Basically, we are weighing this to balance, balance it out. If we feel that one is overweight, so we'll shift the items to the other one. Okay. Even this is 6.5. So around 300 grams is more in this. Oh, that should be fine. How much is hammerhead? This will go beyond 15 kgs is what I think. 10 kgs is what I am.
Wait.
13. How much is this? 13.35 kgs. Oh god.
As guessed.
Okay. And if you guys have any questions regarding the luggage which I'm using, you can post it in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram somewhere here. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.